Welcome, and come on into the kitchen. As you know, I have been cleaning out my pantry, and today I came across several cans of sweet potatoes. I thought I would try my hand at a sweet potato casserole. Now this is a dessert that is normally served along with the meal. It allows you to have a little bit of sweet and a little bit of salty all on the same plate. It's a staple dish here in the South, especially on holidays. Some will call this a souffle, but it is not. A souffle is a baked dish with a flavorful base mixed with beaten egg whites. When baked, air bubbles in the egg whites expand, puffing the souffle up over the top of the dish. As you will see, this will not happen here. I'm going to start out by opening and draining 3 15-ounce cans of sweet potatoes. I drained the syrup out of them. Put these in a bowl and mix them well. Mash them up really good. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of white sugar and 2 large eggs. A dash of salt, a half cup of butter or 1 stick. And I'm going to mix well again. Now add 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then 1/2 cup of milk. Now that you have that mixed together well, grab you a casserole dish and spray it with some butter spray. That'll help with the cleanup. Now just pour all of your base in your casserole dish and we'll get ready to make the topping. I'm going to start out by chopping, about a cup of pecans. Okay, I'm going to put 1 cup of packed brown sugar in a bowl. Then I'm going to put my 1 cup of chopped pecans in there, and I'm going to start mixing this together. I need a bigger bowl though. I need a different bowl. This one gets lost on the countertop. All right, to that I'm going to add 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And lastly, I'm going to add 1/2 stick of softened butter. I start out with the blending fork, but I change over to my hands. It'll be easier to get it in crumbles. sprinkle on the top of your sweet potato mixture. And you're going to bake it in a 350-degree oven, I'm going to say about 40 minutes. Now, doesn't that look tasty? I'm going to go ahead and dip some on a plate. It's really too hot to taste. It is smoking. And once you let it come to room temperature, it will not be as juicy, as drippy. Oh, that's delicious. Hot, but delicious. So give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it. Tell me how you make your sweet potatoes. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy it, and I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.